Remove the oil filter. Yeah, it's a nice mess. Okay, and we're going to clean off the surface of the oil filter receiver here. Clean everything off. Now we want to apply this dry. You don't want to lubricate the seal or the face of this because we're putting it straight on. It doesn't need to be turned on or anything like a normal oil filter at this point. Okay, nice and dry. And if you want to use alcohol or a degreaser, that'd be good too. But just for demonstration purposes, we're going to show you that it works fine just by wiping it totally clean. Good. Okay, we're ready to mount the EVAC-U-FILTER onto the oil filter mount. This one happens to be a 20 by 1.5. We're just going to center that. We're going to make sure that the gasket's fully engaged on the adapter as well. Want to make sure that's fully seated before you install it. We'll run the nut up on there and position it how we want it. In this case, of course, we're using 90-degree fitting. It's for access. And there we go. And this will be good access right about here to get onto the Schrader valve with the air chuck. And now we're going to just tighten it down with a 1-inch deep socket. And this can be hand tight. It doesn't have to be super tight. There it is. Let's let the oil filter do the work. There it is. 7 to 10 foot-pounds is all you're going to need. So we're going to go ahead and mount the oil filter. Go ahead and lube up the oil filter seal as you normally would. Adapter is not moving. It stays in place. Good to go. We're going to remove the oil filter cap. And we want to do that because we want the engine to be able to breathe. We don't want to get aerosolized oil into the crankcase ventilation system. We're going to be using some compressed air here to empty the oil filter out. So that's why we're doing it. Okay, so we've shut off the engine. We know that the oil filter is full of oil. We're going to go ahead and remove the Schrader valve cap. And I'm going to use an air chuck. I like these, the type that lock on, but any kind you use to fill up your tire or whatever is fine too. I'm going to clip on and we're going to charge it with air. And you'll hear it emptying the filter. It's also, that little gurgling noise is actually the pickup tube in the oil pan. And the pump is not losing its prime, believe it or not. It's just bypassing it, and it's actually removing contaminants from the pickup tube screen. So we did a little bit longer than we needed to, but you can hear it doing it. Yep. Okay, so we're good to go there. We're going to go ahead and remove the air chuck and remove the oil filter. And just a few drops coming out of the oil filter stud tube. That's it. All right. Clean oil filter removal. We're going to reinstall the Schrader cap. As a side note, we injected 100 psi of air into the system. And that was okay because there's very small orifices that the air is traveling through, and there's a lot of pressure drop on the other side. The engine never saw that kind of pressure. There's our replacement oil filter. Good to go. Next oil change, a clean one.